Katherine Short's sudden passing shocks many. The daughter of Hollywood icon Martin Short reportedly died by suicide in her Hollywood Hills home. Autopsy results recently released by the LA Medical Examiner revealed tragic details: a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Emergency dispatch audio indicates a frantic 911 call, unable to access her bedroom. Martin Short's family expresses deep sorrow, stating they're devastated by their loss. Katherine was only 42, leaving behind memories of joy and light. This raises critical questions. What leads to such despair? If you or someone you know is struggling, help is just a call away at 988. Remember, you're not alone in this.